words that all end in IT. Can you say them with me? Fit, kit, hit, pit, sit, fit, lit. Ready to have fun? Let's go. One sunny day, Mommy and Ishaanya went to buy new shoes. They tried many pairs, red ones, blue ones, sparkly ones, until one pair was just the perfect fit. F-I-T, fit. These shoes fit just right, said Mommy, smiling. On their way home, they stopped at a small shop. Mommy bought Ishaanya a colorful kit. K-I-T, kit inside were pencils, crayons, and a tiny eraser. Wow, my new kit is so pretty, said Ishaanya happily. They walked down the road, talking and laughing, when suddenly, bump! Ishaanya's foot hit a stone. That's H-I-T, hit. The little stone rolled away and fell into a muddy pit. P-I-T, pit. Ishaanya giggled and said, "Look, Mommy!" The stone fell into the pit. Mommy laughed. That was close. Good thing it wasn't your kit. When they reached home, Ishaanya's foot started to hurt. Mommy said, "Come, my love, let's sit down and take a look." That's S-I-T, sit. Mommy looked carefully and said, "We'll put on a Band-Aid, sweetie. It might hurt a bit, B-I-T, bit, but then you'll feel all better." Ishaanya smiled bravely and said, "Thank you, Mommy. You make everything fit just right." Just then, Mommy looked outside and said, "Look, Ishaanya, so many fireflies." She forgot all her pain as she saw a firefly for the first time. The tiny lights danced in the garden like glowing stars. Their soft glow lit the garden. L-I-T, lit. Wow, little readers. You were amazing today. You learned all the IT family words and their spellings. Fit, kit, hit, pit, sit, bit, lit. F-I-T, K-I-T, H-I-T, P-I-T, S-I-T, B-I-T, L-I-T. You're now official word wizards. See you next time for more word magic. Let's play a quick quiz with our IT family words. Are you ready? Let's begin. What do we call a small box that holds pencils? A. Fit, B. Kit. C. Sit. Answer is B. Kit. K-I-T. What happens when your foot bumps a stone? A. Hit, B. Pit, C. Lit. It's hit. H-I-T. What do we call a hole filled with mud or water? A. Sit, B. Pit, C. Bit. The answer is B. Pit. P-I-T. Wow, you got them all right! You are an IT family superstar. Let's learn more word families next time.